Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 2-pack custom car vent clips. This comes with 12 refill sticks. You could put this anywhere in your car. They've offered this in 3 different colors. Alright, so right here we have our vent clips. This helps our car smells really nice. You do get a little bag to carry it in. So the 3 different colors this is offered in. This one right here is the 2-piece black. They also offered in a silver and a black and red. So with this one here you do get 12 extra sticks. So if you decide to choose any other fragrance. So first off you get this sticks right here. These are the clips. These clips will go into your air freshener vent. They do have holes in the front as well as in the back, so when your air condition or your heater is blowing, it will blow from the back side in so you can smell the fragrance. And then here is the refillable sticks. You could put any fragrance that you want. It is required one of these into one of these capsules. So you can see the vents on the front side. You have vents on the back side, but you got to twist this side right here where the little dots are. That will open it up, giving you the fresh air from the back to the front. These are the top, the bottom of the clips. They have a different size of diffuser holes. You can rotate them with the white dot marks to end the control. You can change the aromatherapy. So if you turn it just a little bit, it will come out a little bit. If you turn it all the way open, it will come all the way open. So now we're just going to take one of these sticks, put it inside here, and then later on I'm going to put my freshener in there. So when you want a faint scent, you can turn off the diffuser port. The great thing about this is you do get 12 unscented refill sticks, so you can change it as often you'd like. It is a custom car vent clips designed to newly long cylinder type, brings you a different visual effects. So instead of the ones that you can use for 30 days and got to throw them out, these ones here you can just replace the sticks and you keep these ones here. So when you tighten this up right here, after you got the fragrance in there, you'll want to turn the other side to open up the vent. So this is fully open. You can see the stick from the front as well as in the back. So if you close it, this will close and the air won't come out, but you can twist it to just a little bit depending on how much of the fragrance you want to come out. And then you get another one, so on both sides, or like my case, I have one up in the front and then I end up putting one in the back. So this one here has like a little cover, so it's not really thick hard metal that's rubbing against your vents of scraping it. It's kind of got a pad on it. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to put these in there, add some flavoring in there, and then we're going to put it inside the car. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So right here I have the piña colada. I purchased this one right here because I like the smell of piña colada. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dab the stick. As you can see right here, it is all the way down to the bottom. You don't have to just dab it on the top. You can actually add it to the sides. So now I have placed it on one of my vents right here, and I have another one on the other side. And then you can see they're both in my vents next to my car stereo. I would highly recommend these ones if you like your car smelling nice and fresh. These ones look really nice and they blend in with your car.